A truck to a Texan is just like his hat.
You don't feel complete if you ain't got that.
A truck is a marker, a part of a plan that says you're grown up, that says you're a man.
If you live in the north, you can drive a sedan.
But if you live in Texas and you ain't got no truck,
buddy, you're stuck.
Buddy, you're stuck. If I had this truck, I'd have a piece of the pie. If I had this truck and a drop of good luck, I might get by.
Daddy wished he'd had a boy. He raised me to be tough. He and Mama always fought, and when he'd had enough, he'd grab his hat and coat. And though I was only 5, he'd say, "Come with me, little girl, I'm gonna teach you how to drive." And he'd let the engine warm up, and he'd say, "Your culture waits." And he'd lift me up in that dusty truck with rusty license plates. There was no heat in the cab, and 4 different kinds of wheels. And I thought, man, now I know how Cinderella feels. If I had this truck, I'd be okay on my own. No more riding my bike, come and go as I like, just me alone. If I had this truck, man, that would be hot. I'd flip folks and bird as I peel out the light.
Ooh, when I'm in this truck, I'll give thanks to the Lord till the day that I go to my proper reward.
If you live in the south, you can drive an Accord.
But if you live in Texas and you ain't got no truck, honey, you're stuck. Honey, you're stuck.
If I had this truck, I'd have a piece of the pie. If I had this truck, I'd hold my head up high.
I don't need to lie with, and my life can't begin.
Sweet Jesus, I hate my twin.
I know the coming's a sin.
But picture me driving in my brand new truck. My brand new truck.
Car don't make money, truck make money.